a cold start. And I'm not kidding, it's 9 degrees out here today. You just push down the key, chokes all the way down. It's been firing up first kick every time. Let it warm up a little bit. Guys, what you're looking at here is a Wards Riverside, super rare piece in that there are very, very few of these that were restored or survived in good condition like this one. This is from the Roy Thacker Collection. It's an absolute Concours 11 out of 10 score diamond. It really, in every fashion, this is better than the day it rolled out of the showroom floor. The triple chrome plating was done to a standard better than the factory. The paint was done better than factory, and the aluminum was polished better. The wiring, the general fit and finish on the bike is superior to what it would have rolled out of the showroom of the Montgomery Ward Center store when it was sold new. And it looks brand new, it runs brand new, and it's a spectacular example. Montgomery Ward marketed these and sold these under the Wards Riverside name. They are a rebadged Benelli. It's a 125cc two-stroke. Very simple machine to work on and a lot of fun to ride. Lightweight, nimble, enough power for 2-up riding. Has a long saddle, as you can see, beautifully reupholstered. Telescopic forks, swing arm rear suspension. And it's a two-stroke, so it's got plenty of power. Was shocked when I first saw this bike. We restore bikes here for a living. I know what you're getting into to do a frame-off resto like this. And I'll just say, if you know any country, any shop in the United States of America that can do a frame-off restoration, re-chrome every part on this motorcycle, restore the speedometer to brand new so it reads, what? What's it read on it now? 3 miles on it, and put a world-class 6 coats of clear paint job on it, redo the post. If you know a shop that can do this kind of work for under 10 grand, give them my number. I've got 250 bikes waiting to get done here in a year and a half backlog. So this is an expensive proposition. It takes time to send everything out to be re-chromed. All of the chrome on this bike is show quality chrome. All of the aluminum is polished. Every painted surface on this bike is done to a much higher standard than new, including the pinstripe, the paint, the graphics. All of the rubber on this bike is new or NOS or remanufactured, brand new. Just a spectacular fit and finish. The bike runs like new, it looks like new, and it is essentially a brand new 50-year plus classic. I don't think I personally have never seen one this nice. Not in pictures, not in videos. If you have one that's finer than this, please drop a picture or a video to me. I'd like to see it, because I think this is the nicest one I've ever seen. Before there was an Amazon you could buy online, there were retail superstores like Sears that sold everything you wanted for your house, or Montgomery Ward, everything you wanted for your house or your lawn maintenance, lawnmowers. And they had a section called wheeled goods, which included bicycles, mini bikes, motor scooters, and motorcycles. And this was Montgomery Ward's competition for for the Sears Allstate model. This is a rebadged Benelli. They were made by Benelli in Italy, and this badge tells you a story. Wards Wheeled Goods. If you write to us about this article, or if you order replacement parts, always mention this model and serial number. It's funny because there was no internet back then, right? So you had to write them. But this is a serial number FFA 61. That's the year 1961, making this motorcycle, what is it, 64 years old. And it's serial number 76. And look how small the plaque is for the serial number. You got to wonder, were they going to cap it at 99? I don't know, but this is serial number 76, very low serial number model. The exhaust on it is a Brevetti Selenium silencer, Italian made. The chroming on it's absolutely gorgeous. The luster and shine on this polished aluminum engine case is beautiful. The engine cases look brand spanking new. They were vapor honed, and the cylinder was repainted. This is raw metal on the cases. The brake pedal was, the shifter, this is a right side shift, I'm sorry, was re-chromed. The header pipe was re-chromed. The horn has been re-chromed. Even the air intake, air filter has been re-chromed. And look at the beautiful paint job that Bill laid down on this. Just spectacular. The only blemish it has anywhere was more of a factory issue where the forks, when you compress the front forks, it rubs on the front of the front, and it chipped the brand new paint job off. So that there's a very tight fit there. So you see the brake cable, all the cables are new. Just a spectacular piece. The general fit and finish on this bike is absolutely spectacular. It's Concours level restoration, better than new in every respect. And you're looking at a minimum of 125 hours of shop labor to do this level of work, fit and finish on the entire motorcycle with this type of paint job. And at current shop rates of $150 an hour, you'd be looking at to find a shop that would do it, if you could, and on time and material, you'd be looking at a well north of $15,000 restoration, parts and labor. This one's done. It's brand new. It's got literally 3 miles on it. And when we got it in, we went through it and put fresh fuel in it, fired it up, gave it a full nut and bolt check, went through the service department. Everything was confirmed to be in perfect condition. Then went to the detail shop where it was given a rotisserie detail and a final shine on it. So it's exactly the way we got it from Roy, and it runs perfect. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We'll ship this anywhere in the country for you. You will not find a nicer one for sale anywhere on planet Earth today, and that I'm confident of. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.